Welcome back to the English for Work Made Easy podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're practicing simple English conversations you can actually use at work. Real English. The kind people actually speak.
No textbook nonsense. No over-polite, fake office language.
Just clear, simple, practical. Let's begin.
Starting the workday.
Morning, Alex.
Morning. How's everything?
I'm awake. That's the most I can say right now.
My brain is still loading, like 12% battery.
Same. Coffee first, work second.
That's workplace survival rule number 1. Small, real conversation.
How was your weekend?
Quiet. I did nothing, and it was perfect.
That's the dream.
You?
Laundry, cleaning. Being an adult is basically chores with Wi-Fi.
Accurate. Simple help request.
Hey, Alex, can you help me with something?
Sure, give me 2 minutes.
No rush, thanks.
Done. That's how work should be. Simple, direct, no drama. When you don't understand something.
If you don't understand something, don't pretend. Just say,
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
or, can you repeat that?
Or, do you mean this or that?
Asking again is smart. Doing it wrong confidently is stupid.
Pride has no place at work. Clarity does. Polite but strong language. You can be polite and still sound confident. Listen, I think there's another way. Want to try?
Can we get this done today?
Let's adjust this part. Clear, polite, confident. Real workplace small talk.
Work small talk shouldn't be boring.
If coffee didn't exist, I'd still be asleep.
I'm here physically, mentally, I'm on vacation at a beach.
If Monday had a face, I'd punch it.
The most relatable sentence ever.
Quick check-ins. How's your day going?
Busy, but surviving.
We deserve a raise. Will we get it?
Absolutely not.
Giving opinions clearly. When giving opinions, keep it simple.
I agree with that.
I'm not sure about that. Let's think again.
Let's try this option first.
Clear communication solves problems before they become problems. Useful workplace lines you can use today.
Can you send me the file?
I'll check and update you.
Let's do it like this.
I'll take care of it. Thanks. No problem. Ending the workday. All right. I'm heading out. See you tomorrow.
Take care. Enjoy your evening.
Don't work too hard.
Too late.
Simple communication mindset.
Use simple English.
Keep it natural.
Don't try to sound fancy.
Just be clear and human.
People respect real language, not show-off vocabulary.
If you speak like a robot, you'll sound like one.
And people will avoid talking to you.
Keep your English simple. Keep your tone calm.
And don't overthink every sentence.
This is real communication.
The kind that actually works at your job.
That's all for today.
Practice these lines in real conversations.
Not tomorrow, not later.
Today.
You learn English by using it, not by thinking about using it.
Talk. Make mistakes. Learn. Improve.
See you next time. Done. No fake positivity, no forced lessons. Just real language people can actually use at work. All right, we're back.
Let's talk about something real.
Your coworkers, the people you work with.
Some are great,
Some are tolerable.
and some drain your soul.
Every job has that one person.
You know the one. The one who complains about everything.
Or the one who always thinks they're the smartest in the room.
Or the one who disappears every time there's work to do.
Workplace reality. No need to pretend otherwise.
But here's the important part. You still need to communicate clearly.
You don't need to be their friend.
You don't need to like them.
You just need to work with them.
So keep it simple, keep it clean.
Example conversation.
Hey, can you send me the file, Pity?
Sure, give me a minute. Done.
No emotions, no drama.
Don't start with stories. Don't over-explain.
Most problems at work come from people talking too much or too little.
Balance. Clear, short, direct.
Another example. Did you finish the report, Pity?
Not yet. I'll have it by 3 p.m.
That's it. Don't invent excuses. Don't lie.
Lies create more work later.
And more stress.
The more honest and clear you are, the easier your work becomes.
Not emotionally honest, professionally honest.
Big difference.
Also, don't try to sound impressive.
Sound understandable instead.
Example of trying too hard. I would like to kindly request the document if you have the ability to provide it at your earliest convenience.
No. Just say, can you send me the document?
Simple English is not low level
Simple English is smart.
because the goal is understanding, not showing off.
You talk to communicate, not to perform.
Talk like a human, not a dictionary.
And don't be scared of mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
Silence means you are not,
So talk, even if it's not perfect.
especially if it's not perfect.
That's how you grow.
That's how you improve.
Not by thinking, by doing.
Use the language,
Today, not later.
not someday.
Today. That's enough for now.
Go speak to someone. One sentence. That's all you need.
That's how it starts.
See you next time.
Bye.